Hello and welcome to another video about cryptocurrency. This is Josh Morris on my new cryptocurrency channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to use my favorite platform for trading cryptocurrency, Coinigy. So this is the Coinigy platform. You can sign up to get a free trial. By the way, if you like videos about cryptocurrency, you want to learn how to make money on cryptocurrency, feel free to subscribe to this channel. I'll keep making videos about it, but this one is like a basic how to use Coinigy, which is my favorite platform for trading cryptocurrency. So that's just a how-to. If you're already using this, you know this stuff. Okay, so Coinigy is a place where you can trade cryptocurrencies and you connect all the exchanges to Coinigy. So I'll show you how it works. Let's just go into home. I've already got an account. I've already signed up, so I'm just going to go log in here and I'm into Coinigy. Okay, so let's just look at the first thing. The first thing is obviously the main thing is the markets, right? Over here on the left, you've got all the different exchanges. That is where you can deposit your cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, and that's where you trade for other cryptocurrencies. Exchanges are where all the exchanges are basically the market, like the stock exchange, the New York Stock Exchange. That's a stock market. These are cryptocurrency exchanges where you can exchange cryptocurrencies. So that's that. To actually buy cryptocurrency, you want to buy it on a website like a wallet website, like a Coinbase or blockchain. You can buy directly from your bank, from fiat. But if you want to exchange between cryptocurrencies, you have to move it onto an exchange. And I won't talk about that in this video because I'll just talk about Coinigy. So you can see all the exchanges are listed down here. And then these are all the coins down here. You can see I'm on cannabis coin right now. I bought down here and I sold on the double and on the double, and then a big spike over here, and now I'm tracking it to wait for it to get lower so I can rebuy again. So here are all the coins, and this is on Bittrex. So if I look on BNT, you can see it takes you to the chart with BNT for BNT/Ethereum. So I can go to, for example, gold. This is Voltoro. They only have one coin on there where you can exchange Bitcoin for gold. You can see I've been buying down here, and it's making a nice rise. GDAX, that's Coinbase's exchange. You can see they've only got a few, but some on here, for example, what's a new one I've got? Cryptopia. This is a new one I'm on. They've got hundreds of coins. I mean, look, ABCs. We're only in the D's. Doge is a good one. There's so many here. So there's just tons and tons of coins that you can check out and analyze using some analysis techniques. So this is a page you're going to be on a lot. Okay, I've got some indicators down here. You can find the indicators by going into the indicator panel. So that's right over here. You've got the indicators, and you can do things like you know, the MACD or the moving averages. There's tons of different things, and I won't go into all of the indicators in this video because it's just too many. I'll go through some of my favorite in another video, but that's how you find them. You can change the settings of the chart. Sometimes you want to make it look like a line chart. That actually helps you see market shape. You can see the ups and downs much easier. You can see the M's and the W's much easier. So that's sometimes good to change that. So you can mess around with those settings. You can see now the W's are not so easy to see. So that's a good one. Up here you can set alerts. Now that's really, really important because when you go to see a trade, you may think, oh, it's not ready to trade yet. So you want to set an alert. So you would simply click the alert button, drag it to when you want to see it. So let's say I'm waiting for the price to break these lows. So I'll set an alert to confirm at this low. And then that alert is set, and when that is hit, I'll get a little ping and even a text notification as well if you set that up. So that's the markets. There's a ton of stuff. You can change the time frame, so you can change it to a day or a week here, so you can see longer time frames. You see in the longer time frame, it's not a great position to be trading, but if you want to go to the 1 hour time frame, you can see that you can play against these lows to hit these highs. But again, like, that's a whole different video. I'm just showing you the basics of how to use it. All of these are different indicators, different ways of charting, different charting tools. So you've got trend lines here, which are really, really useful. One of my favorite type of trend line is the horizontal ray. because you can find gaps in the chart. For example, let me see if I can spot one. Here's a nice little gap in the chart. If you know anything about gap theory, you know that gaps are quite powerful. The market often rallies back to gaps. So you can see there was a gap here that almost got filled down here, but never really got filled. And I could use that as a new target to buy. So that's the horizontal ray tool. You can see it just goes on forever. So it's a very useful tool. I like to use the Fib Retracement a lot. You can see this is the Fib Retracement Tool. I've set it to 25% now because I'm doing a specific type of thing, but you can change that. You can add the 32 level, the 61.8, the 78.6. Now you've got your fibs. I use this tool a lot where you can track the position. So for example, if I go in here and my target is up here, my stop is down here, you can see the risk reward ratio. So that's also a very powerful tool I use all the time. Then they got these little icons. These are fun. The magnet tool is useful because it clips to the chart, and then you can click that to remove any pictures, the dustbin. That's pretty much all I use. On this side of the chart, this is where you can actually trade. So for example, you say I only want to spend 10% of my Bitcoin, and I'm gonna put it down here, and then you can click buy now, and that will it will ask you to confirm, and then that's when you confirm your order. Same with selling. If you want to sell the 10%, go and you put the, I don't have any to sell, so I couldn't show that, but that's that. On the data chart, you can actually see what's going on, the price action, what orders are there on the books. Alerts, you can see all your alerts. Economy, it tells you the market cap and the available supply. Some coins, it will tell you more, and you can make your own notes here. So that's the basics. I don't want to go too in depth on every screen, but that's the basics of the market page. Now on the alerts page, it's self-explanatory. These are all the alerts that you have. The accounts page, again, is self-explanatory. These are all the accounts that are connected. This is where you add exchange accounts. So you add a new exchange account, you select the exchange. Let's say you just joined Bitfinex, or Binance is quite a popular one. And you would add your API keys that you get from these places. So I've added my API keys here. I'll probably blur these out just so you can't access them. And then there's the balance page. This page will tell you your balance for all your coins. And you can check which accounts you're choosing. So if you can see gold, if I just look at gold, I've only got 72 of gold or whatever. Still got some Bitcoin left, so I'm going to be probably buying more gold there. And that's that. And then you got the table view as well, which I don't particularly, no, the chart view, I don't particularly like. I prefer the table view because the chart view gets messed up. You can see here, it's not showing my Poloniex. So they've got some bugs on this. If I look at my Poloniex, you can see it, no account selected. I've got Poloniex selected and it's showing accounts, but it's not selected. And over here, if I check all, it's showing that there's no Poloniex there at all, even though most of my stuff is in Poloniex. So it's a little bit strange. If I go back to the table view, you can see if I just check Poloniex, you can see it's got £3,000 in there. So it's not, there's nothing, there's some coin there, but it's just not tracking it. So that's the balances page. Really good way of seeing what you've got going on. And then there's the orders page. These are all your open orders. Like if you had set an open order and it hasn't hit yet, that's where this will come. You can see I've got 112 open orders. I like working orders, sell orders for some strategies, buy orders for other strategies. Then you've got order history, which is self-explanatory again, order history, and that's really it. There's a couple of more things that I use that are really cool, and that is I use Marketwatch App. So they've got some apps here. I won't go into all of them, I'll just go into the one I use, Marketwatch. This is my favorite app. What you do is, the way I've done it is I've starred all the coins. So let's say I go into a coin here, I can star it right over here, and I can toggle as a favorite. Then it will show up when I click that star button. It will show up in my favorites. So you can see all my starred favorites. These are coins that I've invested in. So all of these coins I'm holding. And if I go into this app that I just opened, which is, you find it over here, the Marketwatch app, these are all the starred coins that you've got. You can see the dip is very strange. That's because it's not showing the Poloniex account. It's very strange. It should be on this level. And you can see at a glance which coins are doing well. So you can see the percentage change. For For example, Omni, I can see has just increased by 23% and the volume has increased by 200%. So I may go in there and see if my sell orders are working, see if everything's in place. I also like to look at the worst ones, what's doing really, really badly. SLR has had a dip of 10%, so I might go in there and maybe see if I can work some bids to buy. You can see here Omni is having some nice spikes up. I've already made a sell and it's spiking up again, so I'll probably want to have another sell order. Okay, so I've got a sell order working there, so you can see that's already set up. SLS was doing badly. You can see I bought way down here, I spiked up and I sold, and now it's starting to come down to normal levels again. So I've got my buy orders working down here, but I could easily find some gaps in the chart and maybe get some buy orders down here as well, but I just haven't done that yet. So you can see how that tool is really useful. This app is really useful for actually finding opportunities and tracking all your coins and checking everything is okay. So that's it. And again, these numbers are weird. The minus 100%, all these minuses are very, very weird, and that's literally because it's not tracking Poloniex. It's a really annoying glitch that they've got at the moment. Maybe they're watching this, someone at Coinigy, and they can fix this, but Coinigy, they're working on so many things. I mean, they're doing the iOS app, they're trying to bring in the volume profile, which I'm really excited about. That's from TradingView. Another indicator, which maybe I'll mention in another video. But that's it, that's your basic how to use Coinigy. So sign up, look around the platform, see how easy it is, connect some exchanges, and that's really it. Then you're good to go. You can start practicing trading with the tiny percentages of your portfolio. Obviously stay safe, and that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about Coinigy or cryptocurrency trading in general, and I'll be happy to help. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.